I have a boo-boo. Fuck. Reapers! What's is good? It's your boy Laser. You guys are the visor back with another scary reaction video. You love this scary content, so I continue to deliver that for you guys. And if you recommend creepy Ring doorbell clips that'll leave you speechless, now, if you guys enjoy scary content and you want to scary videos like the future, so when you hit the like button, you subscribe, and you tickle the notification bell icon like you took my penis, bro. I'll stream every night on Twitch, bro. Go check out the streams. Let's dive straight into this video. Oh, I'm about to munch it. Look at this bad bit. Oh, shit. Look at all this meat, bro. Chat. I mean, not chat. Before we watch this video, guys, look at all this goddamn meat. Look at this burger, bro. Oh. My tongue's about to ejaculate. Oh. Holy shit, look at this badass, bro. More bigger than my schlong.
An unexpected twists Ring doorbell moment. A man at the witching hour, standing on someone's porch, his intentions veiled in mystery. Unbeknownst to him, the homeowner is wide awake, meticulously observing his every move. As he attempts to open the door, the homeowner intervenes with a sharp command, ordering him to leave the porch. What follows is a sudden and startling revelation, as the man stumbles and falls to the ground, revealing the influence of alcohol.
Somewhere to go.
Oh shit. What's going on here, bro?
Yes.
I heard my dog's barking. Oh shit.
In this puzzling and unusual Ring doorbell scene, we observe a woman venturing out into the night, equipped with a flashlight. Surprisingly, she approaches someone's front door, seemingly with the permission of the homeowner. However, her actions take a startling turn as she repeatedly attempts to open the door, displaying a determined resolve. Little does she know that the homeowner has taken every precaution to secure the door against potential intruders.
Huh? I wonder if her pushy smells like this onion, bro. What's she have in her mouth? The dogs go barking. Woof up. What's she doing, bro? I don't even know what she's doing.
It's Macy. Open the door. It's Macy. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door, bruh. Yes, you do. It's your sister. Open the door.
You're at the wrong house.
No, I'm not. I'm at the right house. Open the door, bruh.
Did she say she's at the White House? What is she on?
Seriously?
I think that's the color of the house. I thought she meant like the actual White House.
Sister. It's Jimmy's sister.
We don't know Jimmy.
He's the owner of this house.
We're calling the cops.
Alright, I'm leaving, bruh. Y'all are crazy.
In this perplexing, intense doorbell scene, our camp.
Look at fucking. Hold up, bro. Look at fucking. Goddamn. Tyron over here, bro. Oh, look at Cupcake. Cupcake. Oh, we got the officers here. Bro, this man will fucking solo all those motherfuckers. I'm telling you right now. This motherfucker. Oh shit. Nothing can stop this motherfucker. Not even bullets, bro. Oh no, it bounced back to me. Fuck. Ah.
Cameras witness a man with an agitated demeanor, clutching a dog, while police officers are present at the scene. His outbursts echo through the air as he shouts angrily, his motives and the cause of his distress remaining shrouded in mystery.
Okay.
See a black man out here working first thing in the morning, not drinking all night like this motherfucker.
Oh shit. What's going on here, bro? I don't know what's going on, bro. He was just lifting the weights.
That's how you're gonna release that energy. I'll pull you tonight when you out here drinking niggas noise.
What's this motherfucker on, bro? You good, bro?
I need you left the phone. I tried to get an order protecting this mother.
What are you on, bitch?
That white boy privilege.
White boy privilege? You're right.
Fucking all of my y'all, but if I pass this out, you call the police.
You're right. He's not wrong.
20 years. 20 plus years.
Bro, why are they all like circled around him, bro? Are they trying to like what the fuck are they doing here? Leave the poor guy alone, bro.
I go on camera.
I'm confused. Like, was he working out and they thought he was doing something bad? I don't fucking know. I don't know the whole story here. I might be lost. Bro,
In this
look at that
curious and
shit.
potentially concerning Ring doorbell scene,
Oh!
we observe a man approaching someone's porch with unclear intentions. He sits there, displaying signs of inebriation, his presence raising questions and concerns. The vigilant homeowner takes prompt action, stepping forward to question the intruder's presence without invitation. With a stern ultimatum, the homeowner demands that the man leaves immediately or face the consequences of involving law enforcement.
อยากเปิดประตูนะประตูข้างหลังก็ล็อกอยู่ใช่ไหม
The police are coming.
The guy seems under the influence. No shit.
Nothing.
By the way, fun fact, bro, just completely off topic. When you're skinny like me, bro, like, everyone with a high metabolism knows how we just get hungry every second, bro. Like, we just munch and munch and munch. Especially if you have, like, ADHD. I don't know why, but apparently ADHD, like, correlates to fucking, hunger. I don't know why. Because we seek dopamine, that's why. And food has dopamine in it for some reason. I think it does, I don't know.
In this harrowing and confrontational Ring doorbell scene, we bear witness to a man standing in front of someone's house under the shroud of night. His actions take a menacing turn as he approaches the door, unleashing a torrent of threats and accusations upon the homeowner. The night air crackles with tension as the property owner finds themselves at the receiving end of a barrage of offenses and intimidation.
This man putting your hands on women. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you either here or outside of here.
Oh shit.
I promise you.
Oh yeah, you heard him.
I promise you.
You heard him.
I'm gonna get you right here in the comfort of your own home, or I'm gonna catch you on the street, or I'm gonna catch you at work.
Oh, okay. Catch me outside, bitch. How about that?
I'm telling you right now, you better answer the f***ing door, dog.
Shut your
You better
bitch ass
catch
up.
these hands.
Shut your bitch ass. Oh yeah, catch his hands, huh? Come on, bitch. I got some cheese on my fingers right now. I had a debut. Fuck. Wah!
Nothing but a bitch, bro.
Shut your bitch ass up. I'll have you know. I bought cheese fries. I'm not. Fuck you. Shut your bitch ass up.
Until I catch you.
Shut your bitch ass up, your voice crack, bitch ass.
In this captivating Ring doorbell scene, a man confidently approaches someone's front door. His initial actions involve a surreptitious peep inside, followed by a knock, unaware that the homeowner is closely monitoring his every move. As he waits expectantly for a response, the situation takes an unexpected turn. The vigilant homeowner, determined to maintain security, intervenes, issuing a stern command for the man to leave, with the promise of involving law enforcement.
What's going on, bro?
Get out of my property right now.
Yeah, you heard him, bitch. Potential robbery, jumped over fence in broad daylight, tried to get in, left after he told him to leave. Damn.
In this puzzling and concerning Ring doorbell footage, we witness a masked man with a clear intention approaching someone's property. His target, the United States of America flag proudly displayed at the front of the house. With determination, he makes several attempts to remove the flag, his motive shrouded in mystery. At one point, he pauses, sitting by the front door, as if gathering resolve. In this calculated and audacious act Ring doorbell footage, we observe a man in broad daylight as he leaps over the fence to access someone's property, driven by a clear and sinister motive. His careful preparations are evident, as he is aware of the presence of surveillance cameras within the house. With a deliberate move, he covers the camera, seeking to cloak his subsequent actions in secrecy and evade detection.
I don't know what's going on here, bro. Dude, I just dazed off like crazy. You good, bro? Why does he have a bat, bro? Fuck.
In this high-stakes and daring heist act Ring doorbell footage, were masked men emerging from someone's house, their hands clutching valuable items. With their mission accomplished, they move swiftly to a waiting getaway vehicle, ready for a hasty escape.
I'm too busy eating, bro. Oh! Nice gentleman here. Nice gentleman, I see. Nice gentleman, I see. Oh shit. I don't know what's going on, bro.
In this shocking and unsettling Ring doorbell footage, we witness a family stepping out of their home, headed towards their parked vehicle, blissfully unaware of the presence of an intruder who has brazenly broken into their car. Under the influence of alcohol, the intruder indulges in a bizarre and audacious act, helping themselves to a stash of chips left inside the vehicle.
What's going on? I don't even know what's going on, man. Adoy. By the way, chat, you best believe I'm about to have a stomach ache probably in like 2 hours. No, I'm just kidding. I always feel healthy, bro. I'm built different. I could eat like 10 Big Macs and I still would feel fine. I'm dead serious. Hi, baby.
What?
Hi, baby.
How are you?
Okay, come on, bud.
The car was in line for 10 minutes. From damn, it's crazy. Well, guys, this is this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, guys. That made me absolutely so scared, but I feel like I have to take a massive shit. Now, if you just want to skip content, you want to skip videos like the feature, easier to do. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.